Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to view your block list on Gmail with the latest updates. If you're looking to manage your blocked users and chats, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, look for the menu icon, which is 3 horizontal lines located in the top left corner of your screen. Tap on this icon to reveal the side menu. Next, scroll down and select Settings from the menu. This will take you to the settings page where you can adjust various aspects of your Gmail account. If you have multiple email accounts linked to your Gmail app, make sure to choose the specific account you want to manage. Once you've selected the right account, proceed to the next step. Now, tap on Manage Blocked Users in Chat. This option will direct you to a list of users you've blocked in chat. Here, you can view and manage your blocked users as needed. And that's it. You've successfully accessed and reviewed your block list on Gmail. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful Gmail tips and tricks.